Hey everyone! Today we're looking at parallelogram PQRS. We've been given two angles as algebraic expressions, and our goal is to find the value of x and the measure of angle P. Before we touch the math, remember the golden rule. For consecutive angles in a parallelogram, they are supplementary, which is just a fancy way of saying they add up to 180 degrees. First, let's translate that geometric rule into an equation. Since angle P and angle Q are neighbors or consecutive angles, we can set them side by side and set the whole thing equal to 180 degrees. Write down the quantity of 3x plus 10 plus the quantity of 2x plus 20 equals 180. Now, let's clean this up. Think of your x terms as one family and your plain numbers as another. We have 3x and 2x, which gives us 5x. Then, we have 10 and 20, which gives us 30. Our simplified equation is now 5x plus 30 equals 180. We want x all by itself. Let's get rid of that positive 30 first by subtracting it from both sides. That leaves us with 5x equals 150. To finish it off, divide both sides by 5. And there we go. X is equal to 30. We're halfway there. The problem didn't just ask for x. It asked for the actual degree of angle P. So, we take our x, which is 30, and plug it back into the original expression for P, which was 3x plus 10. 3 times 30 is 90, plus 10 gives us exactly 100. If you want to be 100% sure, you are right on a test. Check angle Q2. 2 times 30 plus 20 is 80. Since 180 add up to 180, you know you nailed it. See you in the next lesson.